The country's first cable-stayed rail bridge, naming Anji Khad Rail Bridge, is nearing the completion on Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla rail line. The Anji Bridge, which is around 80 kilometers from Jammu by road, will connect Katra and Riyasi. It was a challenge to construct the Anji Bridge in this geologically fragile region of the Himalayas. While the total length of the bridge, which includes its approach, is just over 725 meters. The cable stayed portion is around 473 meters long.
ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा है इस पुल का। जब इस पुल के बनने के बाद ये देश के पूरे बाकी कश्मीर से लेकर कन्याकुमारी तक सीधी रेल सेवाएं चालू हो जाएंगी। और इस सेक्शन की सबसे बड़ी खासियत बात यह है कि जैसा कि आपको पता है, जब कश्मीर वैली में बर्फ पड़ती है तो ये कई बार रास्ता बंद हो जाता है, हाईवे क्लोज हो जाता है। लेकिन ये रेल लाइन पूरी होने के बाद पूरे वर्ष इस पर आवाजाही रहेगी और ये रेल संपर्क से हम देश, ये कश्मीर वैली घाटी देश के पूरे क्षेत्र से जुड़ी।
A total of 96 cables support the bridge. Earthquake study parameters were carried out by the IIT Roorkee's Department of Earthquake Engineering at the site where the bridge is being constructed. The bridge can withstand the heavy winds of over 200 km per hour during the storm. It will has numerous sensors installed on it so that its structure health can be monitored constantly. The construction work, which started on April 2018, is now 90% complete. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.